Hey guys, it's Nick with F150LEDs.com. Today we're here with the 2004 to 2008 F150 series truck to show you how to install the F150LEDs.com tail light and brake light rear bulbs. These bulbs consist of 90 Cree LED elements multi-directionally placed within the bulb to give maximum brightness within this designed housing. These bulbs are extremely bright and will not only increase the aesthetics of the truck, will also increase the safety for you, your passengers, and the surrounding traffic. These bulbs install very quickly, and we're going to show you how that's done now. The first thing that we need to do are to remove the two inner bolts here, one lower, one higher. They're accessed by opening your tailgate. Now, we've already done that for speed of this video. You can use a 5/16 wrench to remove those. After removing those two bolts, you go to grab on the inside edge and the outside, and with force, pull back on the taillight assembly, and it will pop loose. That will reveal your reverse light and your high tail brake light assemblies on the back side. You can give those counterclockwise twists. That will completely release your tail light assembly here. So this is your brake light and tail light bulb. Grab it at the base, gently but firmly remove it. Replace it with the F150LEDs.com Cree LED bulb. Now, there's only one thing that we need to do before reinstalling our light, and that is installing the F150LEDs.com resistor here. And this resistor will prevent hyperflash or fast blinking. In order to install this, we simply have these fast and easy quick connect devices that attach to these wires. Now, the two wires that you want to attach to are the two outside units. Color may vary depending on your year and package trim, but it's the furthermost outside wires that you want to connect these quick connectors to, and ultimately the resistor. Okay, so we got one quick connect. Just use a flathead screwdriver to kind of give you a little bit extra space and to push the wires through as needed. Now what we'll do is take some pliers, and we'll run our resistor ends through these quick connectors, like so. Make sure that they're all the way in, and then tighten down your connectors. Make sure you got firm connections. Come on this side for this one. No problem. Okay. And that's all there is to it. Your resistor is now connected to the two outside wires. We're going to tuck that back in here. We'll take our tail light assembly and reinsert our bulbs using clockwise turns. This is a good opportunity, by the way, to go ahead and test your light. If it does not light, you need to take it out, turn it 180 degrees, and reinstall. Okay, got that back in. Now just reinstall your headlight, your tail light. Okay, so that's all there is to installing the high-powered Cree tail light and brake light bulbs on a 2004-2008 F150 from F150LEDs.com. The video may not show it, but they are extremely bright and a dramatic upgrade over your OEM factory bulbs. We highly recommend this upgrade. You can check it out, as well as all our other products and video tutorials just like this, at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support and are looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.